Okay, in this video, we're going to be practicing creating different amounts of money using different representations of our coins. So using different coins to represent the same amount of money. Okay, so here I have 15 cents, and I'm going to start off with a dime and a nickel because I know that a dime and a nickel equal 15 cents. But I can also represent this using a nickel, using 3 nickels. Okay, and that is still a representation of 15 cents. Then I can use a dime, I can use a nickel and 10 pennies. That is still a representation of 15 cents. Or let's do 2 nickels and 5 pennies, okay? There's still more ways that you could represent this amount of money, but sometimes you're gonna have it ask using the least amount of coins. Now, even though all of these represent 15 cents, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, even though they all represent 15 cents, this first option right here, just the dime and the nickel, that is the least amount of coins being used to represent 15 cents. It only uses 2. This example uses 3, and this example uses 7. So let's look at 50 cents. Or 57 cents. I can do 2 quarters, a nickel, and 2 pennies. That's going to be 57 cents. I could do a quarter, 2 dimes, a nickel, and 5 pennies. Oops. 3, 4, 5. Again, here I am representing 57 cents multiple ways. But this first option right here has my least number of coins. This one has 5 coins. This one has 9 coins. And you can keep changing this up. You could do a nickel or a quarter, 2 nickels. Oh, sorry, I did way too many pennies here. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, so here I have the correct amount, 25, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Here's 57 cents. There's still different ways that I could use to represent this. These are not the only 2 ways, okay? So let's look at 43 cents. I'm going to start with, I know I can easily make 43 cents using 4 dimes and 3 pennies. Okay, but I can also use a quarter, that's 25. That's 35. There's 40. 1, 2, 3. There's 43. Let's do another one. I could do a bunch of nickels. Move these closer. So I could do 10, 20, 30, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3. So there you are representing 43 cents, and that has a lot of different coins, okay? So the one that has the least amount of the coins is your quarter, your dime, your nickel, and your 3 pennies. So in the next slide, you're going to be practicing representing money, and you're going to have to give me 2 different ways to represent that amount, that value, and you're going to be using coins to do this. And then in a little bit, we're going to practice with dollar bills.